Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is very exciting. We're going to do an unboxing of the DollsKill Hello Kitty collection. So I have scissors to open it. I won the giveaway on their page, Instagram page, for the entire Hello Kitty collection. Ooh, there's paper here or something. I don't want to rip anything. So the Instagram giveaway was you had to comment on the post that they posted of the Hello Kitty collection, and then you could win the entire collection. So I'm gonna get right to it and open this giant box. It's almost half of my arm span, wingspan. It says it's 21 pounds. So I'm anticipating that the entire collection will be in here. Let's open it. Oh, there's pink paper right on the top. Stuck to the tape. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Paper, more paper. There's a paper in here that has a list. Wow. I'm gonna hide my address on here, but you can see a list of everything. It's not focusing. That they gave me. I could just put it down that way. And then on this side it has the prices of everything, which is backwards on my camera. But I will put a link to their website because everything will be on there. So let's open this. First thing is, ooh, I'm out of focus. What is this? Scrunchies? Wonderland Woe Scrunchie set. So it's a 3-pack of scrunchies. White Hello Kitty print, red bows, and black with the Hello Kitty signature bow. Super cute. I'm gonna say everything is cute 100 times. I don't know where to put it. I have all the space. Next is this. It feels like a bag or something, but I'm not sure. It's kind of heavy. What is this? Oh my goodness, it is a giant duffel bag. It's black and fuzzy, and it has Hello Kitty heads on both sides. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. I think this is part of their collection. Her bow has a safety pin in it. Ooh. Oh, there's a lot of fuzz. Ooh, I really like this. So I can put the whole collection in here. The zippers are actually in the shape of Hello Kitty also. Super adorable. And it came in a dust bag. Dust proof bag. So that's pretty awesome. Awesome! Item number 2. More paper. I know what this is. I've seen this in their ads. It's a sweater. Look at this cute wrapping paper. DollsKill, Hello Kitty. And the back. Oh, it's so fuzzy. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It's a white fuzzy sweater with Hello Kitty ears and the bow with the safety pin. And all down the sleeves, it has this black strip with these metal rings on them. And then I thought so. The zipper is also the Hello Kitty. So cute. Oh, I can't wait to try these on. Adorable. Love it. I was hoping they would send this to me. I, of course, have viewed the whole entire collection already on the website. So this is like a crop top hoodie with signature DollsKill chains on them. And of course this hoodie also has the Hello Kitty bow with a safety pin. Sleeve says Hello Kitty on it. I don't know what the back says. I'm guessing it says Hello Kitty. Maybe it says DollsKill. I don't know. And then the front has this adorable, like, punk rock kitty, DollsKill, Hello Kitty collab. Hello Kitty. She's so cute. Her little plaid skirt. Adorable. Love it. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. I think it's gonna be a long video, so stay tuned, stick around, grab a snack. Ooh, these are thick. Ooh, I'm very excited. I love the little plastic packaging for everything. So these are pants. Look at this. Ooh, they're like bell-bottom pants. Love it. But look at this print. It's like Tokyo City nightlife. Hello Kitty. See the Hello Kitty apple. It says hello, hello. And they're like jeans. And they're super stretchy, so I'm excited to wear these. And no, I'm excited to wear everything. And everything is super cute. But it is. Paper. Oh, I should be reading what it says on the bag. The pants said City Kitty cropped pants. And this is City Kitty top. So it's the same print as the pants, but it's like a mesh see-through top. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Put this paper down here. Nails, Fortune, Market. Super adorable. Getting sweaty and getting excited. What is this? Simple bow spaghetti strap dress. Oh yes. It's a black spaghetti strap dress. Oops, the tag is stuck. With bows right in the front. Cute. Now I have a little black dress to wear. And these bows are really nice too. Love it. It's super stretchy. All their clothes are really stretchy. I'm really excited. Of course, I got all the plus size clothes, so I was hoping they would be stretchy, and they are. This is extra sugar coated thread mini skirt. Ooh. Well, not worth it, but cute. This is a mini skirt. It has a zipper that goes all the way down to the bottom. This one does not feel like it has a lot of stretch, but not in the waistband anyway. The bottom part is stretchy. Oh, these bows are cute. It's like almost felt, but it's not. And they are embroidered on the edges. Ooh, sexy mini skirt. Ooh. Best Friends Forever thermal top. Is exactly what it says. It's a thermal top, crop top-ish style. But this print is adorable. It's like classic Hello Kitty. There's not actual Hello Kitty on it, but it's Hello Kitty themed print. Crop tops. Next is classic baby tee. Now you can see all these on their website, also on all the models. But I'm going to model everything for you. So it's exactly what it says, a classic black tee with Hello Kitty on it. Ooh, she's nice. It's like a patch, an embroidered patch also. Next we have the Perfect Pixel City mini dress. City Kitty. I like the City Kitty print. It's really unique. It's really unique, and I love that it's so stretchy, and I love the way it feels. So this is a dress, and I've seen it on the models. It's very skin tight. So this goes to me about up to, right past my knees. But it has that same print. And it's almost like a skater dress. It has a little bit of flow at the bottom. Okay. One more clothing item. And then there are boxes of shoes. Ms. Out of Pocket mini dress. I don't remember seeing this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Oh, I love this. So this is the top of the dress, and it's ribbed like a corset almost. And then it has a tutu skirt with this ring right in the middle, like a belt. This is so cute. My birthday's this weekend, so I think that I found my birthday dress. I love this top. I really like that they did the safety pin bow. It's really unique to their collection. Oh, look at the skirt. Oh my goodness. So fluffy. And that is all of the clothing items. Let me get these gel pads out. What else do we have? Oh! We have the Besties in Arms earring set. So there's 4 sets of earrings. Hello Kitty, Keroppi, Choco Cat, and Bats Maru. Super cute. And Hello Kitty's wearing a choker. It's adorable. Everything's adorable. We do have one bag here. Multi-character clear backpack. Ooh. So excited for everything. So it came in a dust-proof bag also. Which I just ripped the string off of because it was knotted. This is cute. It's a mini backpack with the same ring that's on the dress. Is on all the zippers. And it also has Keroppi, Choco Cat, Bats Maru. Love it. You always need another mini backpack. I have a couple Hello Kitty ones. Let's see. They also sent the DollsKill Proper Punk Chain Necklace. So it has Hello Kitty wearing a choker, wearing their bow with the safety pin, and she has a tear. She's crying. That's, I think, one of the signature Hello Kitties from their collection also. Oh, hair clips, hair pins. They're not really pins. I'll take them out of the package. And it has Hello Kitty and her friends. On this one, she is not shedding a tear. So Hello Kitty, Choco Cat, Bats Maru, Keroppi. Paper. Now, there's 3 boxes in here, which means there are 3 pairs of shoes. So let's go with the first one. This is the box. DollsKill X Hello Kitty. And friends. And she has a safety pin on her bow and a choker. So let us open up these shoes. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna scream. They're so cute. Each shoe is in its own dust-proof bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at these boots. Ah! It has a zipper on the side. And they're fuzzy. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna wear these to work. Wear these every day. Look at this. This heel. DollsKill boots. So excited. I'm getting hot. Oh my gosh. Love it. I love it. I need to put these over here. Okay, next box. Same. I don't even want to read the side. I want to be surprised. Again, they're in their own bag. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna scream again. Oh my gosh. They are platform boots with Bats Maru on them. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's like a high top Converse style, but with a big platform at the bottom. I like the way it smells. Just look at it. Love, love, love. Love, love. Okay. And the last thing, which is probably why they had to send me this huge box, is for this huge box. Screen grab. I could rest it. Oh my goodness. It is City Kitty print boots. I'm shocked. I'm in love. They feel so nice. I am absolutely in love. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So that is it. That is the whole collection. I'm gonna cry. I'm really, really, really excited, and I'm really happy that I was chosen to win all this. Put my camera down. I feel really lucky, and thank you to DollsKill. Thank you to Instagram, even though they don't have anything to do with it, but it was on Instagram. And thank you everyone for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions for me, then go ahead and ask in the comments and I'll try to answer them. Yeah. Go get yours. It's really, really nice. Really good quality, so I recommend it for sure. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Bye.